Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access or find CapCut templates. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So it's a very simple process. To find the CapCut template, all you have to do is open the CapCut app. And now, if you see at the bottom, you can see 4 options: Edit, Templates, Library and Me. To access the template, click on Template. From here, you can choose wide range of templates to use in your videos. And furthermore, you can also choose different kind of templates based on your preference, like beats, memes, lyrics, marketing, and so on. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.